Hey.
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 Hi.
Hey. We're back.
Should we introduce ourselves? We
Yeah,
haven't
I'm Nate.
introduced ourselves.
Hello,
I'm
Nate.
Lee.
Yeah, we're Bear and Bird. You know us, probably. If you don't, hi.
Yeah, why are you starting in the middle of this LP?
Maybe you just want to see this part of the game.
Oh.
That's fine.
Okay, yeah, okay. No judgment here.
Yeah, people watch videos for all sorts of reasons. Maybe you're watching this one because you went on YouTube and you're like, I want to see some people play Chibi-Robo. And you know what? You got what you wanted. That's what we're here. That's what we're going to do today. Pretty cool, right?
Nah. Not really.
Oh. I thought it was cool.
Hey, aren't you gonna...
I'll do it when I'll do it.
Okay.
Well, behind the scenes tip for you. We record these ahead of time, so I can't change anything. Sorry.
Well, God, I'm mad at past you for not taking the opportunity right away.
Yeah, sorry. We're gonna check out some stuff in the backyard. We got that spoon we can use as a shovel. And there's something back here I've been curious about digging up.
Oh man.
What do you think that is?
It looks like a pile of shit.
Hey, watch your language.
It looks like a pile of that. Wait, that doesn't work as well as they say it does.
What?
They say, hey, hold your tongue and
I didn't say that, though.
What?
I didn't say that. You had no reason to hold your tongue.
I'm telling you, it's a thing that kids do. They tell you to hold your tongue and say pirate ship, and it sounds like...
Oh, I thought you were,
shit.
thinking that I told you that because I told you not to cuss.
Oh.
I said, hey, watch your language.
And you were thinking of holding your tongue in that sense.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like, shut your damn mouth. Kind of way of saying that.
Oh, is damn okay?
Oh, now we're bad. That skull has an eye patch.
Yeah, it's a pirate.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hoist this whole pirate ship. It's called the Scurvy Splinter.
Are you gonna fit that?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Now we're in a hole.
Oh, get out of there!
Okay.
Don't fall in a hole, you idiot.
Sorry. Fell in a dang hole. Try that bug.
Ooh. What's up with him?
Oh. He's just drinking that water.
You cleaned him!
He's like, well, now I don't have any reason to here. And
Oh, he disappeared.
He went into the, it was like a little sewer line or something. Anyway, since it didn't work last night, let's take a break.
Okay.
I'm taking a break right now.
I like how that ladder is just staring at you, judging you while you sit.
Wishing it could sit.
Don't you think it is sitting?
No, it's got tiny little feet. I do have a lot on my plate. Thank you for understanding, Tilly.
Alright, let's check it out.
He's got a microphone.
He's got a microphone! Oh no, Tally!
He's so good.
That's all he had to
That's all he wanted to tell us.
Where do you think that he bought it, or do you think he made it?
He said he made it himself.
Oh no! Telly!
He's so good.
Telly, you're really smart to know how to make a microphone.
Tell you rules. So shoe polish in this tiny drawer.
Oh, what are these eggheads doing?
Talking. He just wants to race a car. Wow. Hey, don't be saying crap like that.
That's some serious shit. You can get in the break for that.
Yeah,
These guys all have big dreams.
yeah, seriously. They're cracking our shells.
So each of these guys have a different dream.
Some share a dream.
Oh yeah, two pirates.
So you can see where this is going.
Yeah. Oh, 3 pirates.
Yeah. Sometimes they just say the same stuff.
Oh, what about the last 2?
Don't worry about it.
You'll never know.
I know what they want. Yeah, check out this cool car.
Oh, that's a cool car. Drive it into the weird place. Just crash in there.
Well, oh my god, no.
Do you think that the car would like go in? Cause like it seems
Wouldn't
like
fit.
that's a place.
Wouldn't fit.
No, if it could
Wouldn't
fit.
fit.
If it could fit.
Can't fit.
Cause like that's a place for like only like Chibi-Robos like
Can't
type.
fit.
So like the car would just like disappear if you drove through.
Can't fit.
God, just work with me here.
No, I won't entertain this. I refuse. It won't fit. Anyway, I just went in that room without even unplugging, so it's like
Weird.
kind of cool, right? What's
That's a speedrun tactic.
Yeah?
There.
Nice. I like it.
Oh. Hey, you have a little belly button as a frog.
Oh man! Frogs don't have belly buttons. Doesn't make any sense. It's Frog's voice.
The power of love.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh no. What is it?
It's a dinosaur.
Look. Oh no! Scary.
I'm terrible. Really like telling super high pitched little squealer. Ah, jeez.
Man, that's a pretty cool Lego set.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah, it's super mean. Check out this amazing action shot.
And caption.
And like, if you notice, he like, kicks the frog out of the way.
No, the frog!
Like we all just kicked the frog out of the way. Telly just pieced out.
Jeez. Guess you know who your real friends are now, huh?
Yeah,
Chibi-Robo?
clearly I don't have any of them. But also I'm made of metal, so it doesn't matter.
Oh no. Oi! They were really gonna eat you?
Let's take these teeth. Anyway, this is Dinah. Yeah. Nah, I don't care. See ya.
Wait, what? No. Well, yeah, I guess she doesn't really deserve them.
I mean, okay. I guess I'll give the teeth back. Anyway, anytime you talk to Dinah, you have to tap on her because she's old and can't hear.
Oh no, that's cute. Theme of Dinah.
I'm trying to remember what her theme is called on the soundtrack because it's something good. It's called I'm Gonna Do Something.
Jeez.
Yeah, there's a lot of really good names on the soundtrack.
What happens if you're in the frog suit and you give her a tooth back? Does she like try to chomp you again?
No, she knows that you don't want it.
So is she like a grandma?
Yeah,
Oh no!
she's like a goofy, like, southern grandma. She says stuff like, "get here," and stuff like that.
Y'all come on back and see me.
Yeah, she's like a nice granny. She's my favorite character.
She's really good.
She's really, really good, and her theme is perfect. See what she's up to. Yeah, like I said, when you talk to her, you tap on her.
Oh no! That's so cute.
Yeah, Dinah rules.
I don't think a toy needs to eat. Or is that a toy?
Yes.
Oh. Wow, Grandma. Wow.
Yeah, that's Funky Phil.
Oh no.
He's amazing. He's basically this game's equivalent of like a damn Big Mouth Billy Bass or some shit like that.
Oh my god, what if there were... I guess those probably weren't like big in Japan or anything. Maybe they were.
I don't know.
Let's look up the Big Mouth Billy Bass Wikipedia.
I will not.
But no, like I remember like the dancing flower phase.
Yeah, like dancing toys.
Yeah.
Dancing, singing toys.
Those were hot for a minute.
Yeah. He sucks.
I just like watching him struggle.
God. He has some Funky Robo. Really like this little like zoom in.
How do you open it?
I'll get it.
Because like you tried last time, but didn't.
That's cool.
Oh, okay, I guess you're getting help this time.
Yeah, he knocked the buttons free. We just gotta climb.
Yeah. Oh, he's like watching, yeah.
Yeah. The rope does not move.
You gotta suspend your disbelief, Nate.
Anyway. Funky Phil rules. Also, Dinah's going nuts back there.
Oh no! She's so happy!
I
don't know, I think that's a pretty reasonable thing to
Yeah,
want to
no,
show
that
your
seems
plants. Just don't stand there, you idiot.
I think Funky Phil's kind of a jerk.
Mm-hmm. Maybe, no, is it that he wants to like sit next to someone else who's like a flower?
Yes.
But not like a real flower, so it doesn't matter. It's dumb. Aww. Here she comes.
You got tiny little T-Rex arms.
Oh. Oh no, that's like so sad.
She's great.
Can't make chili.
And I mentioned that Dinah is my favorite.
She's so
She's
good.
really good.
I'm in love with her.
She's the best character in the game. She gives you one piece of money because she's like an old granny. Like here's a penny, kiddo.
Aw, she loves to dance.
But also, Funky Phil is extremely shy around her.
Do they like each other? Like?
I don't know.
Or are they just friends?
I don't know. I think Dinah has a crush on him, and he's probably just a little bit weirded out by it. But she probably knows she's too old for him or something like that. She does say this line.
Dinosaur!
Okay, that's a weird thing to say, Dinah. I'm sorry. Yeah. Dinah's the best. I don't love how the music just stops when she says it.
She said if and...
Yeah, she's great. I love how she talks real slow.
Do you know?
No.
Oh my god.
And then no one says anything. Yeah.
Why are we making arms race jokes?
Because she can't win an arms race because she got tiny arms.
That's kind of like dark though for a toy.
Anyway.
Like. Oh, all night funky. Okay.
We get a little dance. There's a couple of these in the game. There's one of them that has a vocal cover of the Drake Red Crest theme.
Oh my god.
And it's
Do you do it?
so bad.
Do you do that one?
I mean, like, Funky Phil dance. Yeah, I'm gonna do it later.
Okay.
It's part of the plot.
Well, why did you spoil it?
You asked me! I wanted you to like be able to brace for it because it's atrocious. It's like one of those things where it was like written in Japanese and they translated it but tried to keep the rhythm and it doesn't work at all. But it's fun. There's a Japanese version of it too. It's on the soundtrack. It's amazing.
What was the question? I forgot.
I don't know.
But darn tootin', so.
Ugh.
What was that?
Something
Ew.
fell out.
Gross. Yuck. How embarrassing. Gross, Grandma!
Jeez.
Wow! Horny Grandma.
Yeah, she's a horny grandma. It's terrible.
You gonna go grab
Yeah, let's I don't want to touch it.
funky seed?
Tony's got something to say. Yeah, we're gonna play
But
it.
it's like a seed from a fake toy. What's gonna happen?
Do not think too heavily about this. Anyway, we don't actually use water for it. We emptied that, and now we're gonna pick up this gunk that's on the ground. It's funky sweat.
Ew! What the hell?
It looks like Mountain Dew when you. It is the exact color of Mountain Dew.
This is like. This is
Kind of gross.
This is a weird part of this game.
Anyway, this is how babies are made.
Uh-huh. Wow, I never knew.
So we're gonna plant that seed.
Uh-huh. And pour some sweat on it.
Pour some funky sweat. We'll fertilize the seed with Mountain Dew.
Here's a question. So like, if you look outside during the day, like, does it like get lighter and darker depending on what time of day it is?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah, because like the time of day is really just very static.
Mm-hmm.
If you go outside, it's the same thing. It doesn't really. Oh boy. There's a really good animation coming up here.
Oh man.
You're gonna know it when you see it, but it's like my favorite animation that she has. Little funky girls be popping up all over the place. Yeah. So she realizes she's gonna call them Phillies, and she thinks that's there you go.
Oh, no.
She's just going nuts.
Oh man. She's got it bad.
I love it.
Gross.
Bye.
Gross.
Bye.
Gross.
Anyway,
Gross.
she can't do it because she got tiny arms.
What the hell? Grandma, you're doing your best.
I really like how it just cuts to Chibi-Robo just watching from across the room, like Jesus Christ, what is she doing? I really like this game.
Yeah, it's really, really good. Like, every character just has
She's
so
watching soap
much...
operas. Yeah, she loves soap operas. Grandma's gotta watch her stories.
Mhm. I mean, that's like a grandma thing.
Yeah, it's great. But she watches it because she thinks it's hilarious when people fall off cliffs in a TV show. Anyway.
Key.
Yeah.
Oh, cute little song.
Yeah, sure. Anyway.
Are they just... Oh boy.
Hoist these babies.
Philly. You're gonna throw them in the garbage for
Yes.
the rest
Trash
of the
these.
trash.
Throw these trash babies away. Funky Phil's trash babies. Let's go deliver these children.
You think that he'll be excited or confused?
What do you think?
I don't know. I'm just going on my feelings here. I don't know how Funky Phil would feel.
How would you feel if if a particle fell off of you and someone used your sweat to create a smaller you out of it?
That'd be pretty weird.
That'd be pretty weird.
You know, not an everyday situation there.
It'd be weird.
Yeah, I am feeling
dour
unfun.
about this. Like, oh my god. Dude, here's your babies.
Take them.
Here's your babies, dude.
Ugh.
They call him Pappy.
Aw, okay, that's kind of cute. Oh no!
You only can pick no. No. These babies just happen.
Oh my god, what's gonna happen to these kids? These unwanted children. This is some...
Anyway, it's time to have a conversation about birth control.
Just don't drop your seed.
Don't ever use that phrase. Oh no.
Aww. Chibi-Robo tells you to take responsibility.
This gives you this. No.
I don't know, this is kind of a shitty thing to hoist onto somebody out of nowhere, though.
But also, it's kind of fun. They just be like, "Yo, that ain't my baby. Peace out." They just leave. Okay. He's getting there. Show him how to dance.
What?
Like, it's a term for
Oh, okay. I thought it was wax.
No. Ew. Gotta wax up old Drake.
I mean, it's kind of in character. How'd you get up there? Maybe she's not in love with Funky Phil. Maybe she's just like, maybe she just thinks he's adorable and can't stand it.
Yeah,
Like
kinda jumped off that thing to come on down.
Man, what else is there in this world after that?
Yeah, what? I don't know.
Oh, the frog. I forgot about
there's
the
the
frog.
He got knocked to the side during all the commotion. Everyone just forgot about him. Depressing, actually.
Yeah. Yes.
God.
Yes, yes, yes. We gotta be a hero. We gotta make up for lost time.
Hoist the stupid frog.
And put him in your head.
Kind of
Yeah.
dark.
Feed your head.
Nice. I love it. Anyway, here's the little Drake Redcrest CD.
It's tiny. Like, it's smaller, like way smaller than a record
You
player.
can just like pop it into Funky Phil.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Had a creepy toy. Like my family had a creepy toy that was kind of like that. It was like it was a creepy like animatronic Santa Claus. And you put a book in his hand, and he'd read the book. It was creepy.
Oh, weird.
My family loved it, but I always thought it gave me the heebie-jeebies. Oh, anyway, here's that atrocious like English vocal cover of the Drake Redcrest thing.
boy.
I'm just gonna be quiet for this, so you can just
Okay.
you can just listen to it.
Okay, alright. I am excited.
I'm gonna like, I'm not gonna spoil this for you. I'm gonna take my headphones off so you can just enjoy this in peace.
Okay.
This one is just for you.
Thanks. You dedicate this song to me?
No. Yes. Yes, I do. I'm just gonna watch you the whole time.
Okay. Alright, here we go.
Dashing hero flashing through the space waves. He's red and black and white and yellow too. Justice
You can say something cool like
fight for, but it's a mystery. What does this justice mean? He hasn't got a clue. Thugs who think they can disturb the peace get a taste of his space fury.
Get a taste of my space fury.
Yes.
That is his destiny. Go, space hunter.
Those crazy camera moves too. God, another seed fell out.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Phil, keep it together.
So yeah, that was bad, wasn't it?
Wasn't as bad as I was expecting.
Oh,
You
I'll
built
play
it
the
up.
Japanese version for you, and also like attach it to the end of this video.
Okay.
Just for comparison because it is interesting.
That's pretty cute.
Oh, that is cute.
You can give them 1 coin apiece.
That's what she says it. Looks to Chibi-Robo, says it again, looks back and says it 2 more times.
Is that all they can say?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Anyway.
Oh boy. How many
Let's
of
do it again.
how many are there eventually?
6 in all.
Jeez. Okay, so these are the last 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've already got a syringe full of funky sweat. So yeah, yeah.
No need to take any more. Hey, be careful, you got a frog in there.
But Dinah wants to talk to us. Let's pick this block up. So take a look. See what she
Oh
wants.
yeah, that's right. See, I already forgot about the shortcut and like, I'm not even playing the game.
God, that's pretty bad. Anyway, we'll do the seeds and stuff after this, like, next time. But, yeah, we picked up that block.
Thanks.
Thanks, Grandma.
Are you gonna put more blocks on her and make her into a
Maybe.
taller dinosaur?
Maybe. I mean, I guess there's that one she threw at us.
Seems kind of counterproductive.
Yeah. Yeah, no, we just got that one. One more.
That's such a good detail.
It's a really good joke. So anyway, there's 5 of these throughout the house. And we will find them over the course of the game.
Next time.
Next time.
All of them.
No,
I
not
promise.
no.
Bye.
No, no. Oh, jeez.
けど何が正義で何が悪かはよくわからない